Welcome to this new video training where we are going to show the correct procedure for the first installation of the project's ISP60 software. To stay up to date and discover the latest news, we kindly invite you to subscribe to our channel, give us a like and activate the notification using the appropriate YouTube buttons. Every computer running Windows 7 or any later release has the minimum requirements to run our software. ISP60 is distributed using the Microsoft Click Once technology. This means that it will be necessary to download just a small file from our site to begin the installation. Open your reference internet browser and type the following address, or click on the link in the description. Click on the Install button, then on the Save button and wait for the download. Once the download is complete, if the installation procedure doesn't start automatically, access the download folder of your computer and run the setup file. The computer now will show a security warning. Click on More Info and then click on Run Anyway. After clicking on Run Anyway, the installation of the ISP60 package will begin with the download of all the necessary files. Once the installation is completed, the ISP60 software will start automatically. To run the ISP60, it will be necessary to log in using the account information provided by your organization or directly by Asset Projects. At each launch, the software will search for any available updates. Thank you for watching this video on Projects e-learning channel, and remember to subscribe to stay always up to date.